If you're watching this, you've probably launched a game or you're about to. And real talk, you're wondering why it's not making any damn money. Barely any downloads, it sucks, right? I've been there, that gut punch moment when you hit publish and nothing. No hype, no income. You sit there thinking, did I just waste months of my damn life? Let me be real with you, I felt the exact same. But I figured some things out, and in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly why your indie game is probably not making any money and what you can do right now to fix that. So stick around because I'm going to give you the exact steps that flip the script for me. Alright, let's be honest. Making a fun game is not enough. I used to believe if it's fun, people will find it and love it. Nah, that's just not how it works anymore, unfortunately. The internet is loud, people have TikTok, Netflix, Fortnite, YouTube, everything vying for their attention. So, if your plan is to build, launch, hope for the best, that plan is broken. Most indie devs fall into these traps, spending almost all their time building and barely any time promoting. Not knowing who the game is even for. Launching with no feedback, no marketing, no real plan. They assume quality equals success. Well, it doesn't. Visibility equals success. I made all of those mistakes more than once until I finally stopped winging it and I started treating this like a damn business. Let me tell you about my first big flop. I made this cool little archery game. It had cool little artwork, nice controls. It was super fun to play. I was really pumped. I posted it on social media, shared it with a few friends, and that was it. Around 20 downloads. Total silence, not even one review. I checked analytics every hour just hoping the numbers would magically tick up, but they didn't. Looking back, I did absolutely nothing to set that game up to win. No trailer, no audience, no ASO, didn't even explain what made it special. And that game, it had no hook. No reason for someone to stop scrolling and say, hey, I need to try this out. Here's the harsh truth. Nobody cares about your game unless you give them a good damn reason to. This is where it all shifted. I stopped thinking like a developer and started thinking like a business owner. Asked myself, who is this game for? Where do these people hang out? What's this game actually doing for them? How is this game going to make money? That last one, it's huge. Is it ads, in-app purchases, real money competitions, subscriptions, or something completely different? I realized I was building games backwards. I'd finish the game and then think, okay, how do I actually make money from this? So that's the wrong move right there. You got to plan your business model from the jump. Otherwise, you're just hoping something sticks. And hope is not a very good strategy. Here's the formula I wish I had from the start. Step 1. Build in public. Start sharing your process early. TikTok, X, Instagram, wherever. Share the highs, the lows, the bugs, the progress. Be real. People connect with your story, not just your product. Step number 2, design for retention first. Retention is everything. If people don't come back tomorrow, your monetization doesn't matter. Add reasons for them to return. Daily rewards, streaks, surprises, and progression. Step number 3, plan monetization from day one. Don't slap ads at the end, that's just lazy. Think about your monetization strategy from the beginning. Ask yourself, what's fair? What fits the experience? And what won't piss players off? Step number 4, test before you launch. Run small paid ads, drop a beta, let your audience test early. Watch where they get bored or frustrated. Fix what sucks, iterate like hell. Step number 5, ASO is critical. Your title, subtitle, and keywords matter more than you think. If they suck, you're invisible. Use ASO tools like Sensor Tower to reverse engineer what's working for other top games in your niche. Step number 6, build a player loop. Your game needs a reason for players to keep playing. A loop. It could be upgrades, score chasing, or unlocking new items. It doesn't matter what, as long as there's a reason for them to stick around. Now, every game I make follows this structure. I choose a clear target audience, I come up with one simple hook that makes it stand out, and I share the process and build an audience while I build. I test the monetization early with quick prototypes, I focus on retention before I even worry about polish. I collaborate or integrate platforms like Skills when it fits. Listen, I'm not saying it's easy, it takes work, but this approach took me from broke, frustrated to becoming a full-time game dev. And the best part, it's repeatable. So here's what you can do today. Pick one game idea and figure out who it's really for. Map out how it's going to make money before you even build. Start posting content around your development. It builds hype as well as accountability. Focus on your game's hook and retention loop. The polish can wait. Block out an hour each week just to learn ASO. Join communities like Reddit, Discord, or X. Get early feedback. And hey, don't beat yourself up. Every dev flops at some point. That's just part of the game. The difference between the ones who quit and the ones who win, they learn, they adapt, and they try again. If you want help, I've got a free ebook linked below. It's everything I've learned packed into one short guide. It's the blueprint I used to go from 0 to 6 figures. If this video helped, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and post your game in the comments below. Who knows, maybe I'll feature it as a review on the next video. So in the meantime, you've got this. Don't let perfection hold you hostage. The world doesn't need more unfinished games. It needs more games that actually launch and connect with people. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.